So I didn't get that many memes. I got 2 in the small video. Still gonna be good. Yeah. It's gonna be no theme today because I couldn't think of anything. Okay. Let's start. So the first one says a goose ate a moose drinking juice in a caboose. And when I open it, it just shows a picture of a goose ate a moose drinking juice in a caboose. This one, specifically. And then a picture of it. Okay. And then the next one is Beauty by the Sheep. Which I don't know. Okay, back to the video. So 2 options. And is that you want to make a decision? This is Katrina, by the way. So I made a decision. No, I decided. You're the one.